What an amazing way to celebrate independence. 4th of July 2023. All these cars you see here are heading to one destination. So, where do you think all these cars are heading to? All the cars you see here, where do you think these cars are heading to? They are heading to no other destination but to this gas station, because the prices today have dropped drastically. Today, July 4th, Independence Day, gas prices here have dropped from $5 something a gallon to $1.74 for all grades of gas except diesel. So people are queuing. As you can see on both sides of the road, people are queuing to get gas here in this station. It is very cheap today, and it's something that's gonna be on for 24 hours. You can see here a very long queue of people coming here to fill up their tanks. Some even have some extra containers to fill in. Only here and every other station like this in the city of Columbus. This one is at Polaris. This is Polaris. You can see cars queuing to get into the station here. Yeah, all these cars are turning into this gas station because of the drop in price, a drastic drop in price. What a huge savings for today. There's no better way to save money than to preserve it on mileage, as gas prices has been the topic of time. Yeah, look at this. Only here. We'll keep you posted. Thank you so much.